Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations for top quality products. Today, we're talking about the Nictemaw portable washing machine, and let me tell you, this is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their laundry routine. First off, let's talk about the incredible capacity of this portable washer. With a spacious 17.8 pounds capacity and the ability to hold up to 2.4Cu.ft of clothes at a time, this machine can handle a significant amount of laundry, making it perfect for apartments, RVs, dorms, and homes with limited space. The compact design and side handles also make it super easy to move around, giving you the flexibility to set it up wherever is most convenient for you. But it's not just about capacity, the Nictemaw portable washing machine is also incredibly easy to operate. With 8 water levels and 10 programs to choose from, you can customize your washing process to suit your specific needs. The one-touch operation and LED display make it simple and labor-saving, and the fully automatic function system means you can free up your hands and let the machine take care of the hard work. When it comes to power and energy efficiency, this machine truly delivers. With a cutting-edge motor and 480W washing power, it provides constant and smooth power for optimal cleaning and rinsing performance, while saving up to 85% energy compared to similar types. The efficient spin drying also expels 95% water, allowing for quick and effective drying. Not to mention the high performance and 360 tumbling cleaning feature, which ensures that your clothes are cleaned thoroughly and less tangled. The 3D butterfly flow and tub self-cleaning function makes stubborn stains a thing of the past, while the honeycomb-shaped stainless steel inner tank and fluff stain filter reduce wear on your clothes. The added convenience of the drain pump and extended drain hose means you're no longer limited by place and space when setting up your washer. The machine also boasts a transparent cover for easy monitoring, a 24-hour delayed start function, and a child lock function for added safety. Let's not forget the automatic unbalance detection function and adjustment feet, which ensure smooth and quiet operation without any severe vibrations, even when your clothes are unevenly distributed. In conclusion, the Nictemaw portable washing machine is the perfect solution for anyone looking to save time, energy, and space when it comes to their laundry. With its large capacity, compact design, and user-friendly features, it's a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their laundry routine. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product and take the first step towards a more efficient and hassle-free laundry experience. Trust me, you won't regret it.